going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, bringing those simple dishes on a night where it's busy, chaotic, and you don't feel like cooking. Something simple, something easy, and something delicious. So tonight we are making steak tip. That's right, steak tip. I got little steak tips here. Steak tip Rotini pasta. Bit spicy, but not too spicy. The kids ain't gonna eat it. So here I have my steak tips, about a pound, a box of Rotini noodles, sour cream, some cream cheese, some butter, whole milk, and heavy cream. That's for our pasta sauce a little bit later. Get our steak tips going, get them nice and grilled and sizzled. I'm gonna get a pot and fill it with water. Pot on the stove, get it boiling, and then I'm gonna add my salt into the water because I found out that you're supposed to add salt to boiling water, not before. So my steak tips, they're just seasoned in a little bit of olive oil, and then I also sprinkled some pepper, some salt, some paprika, gotta have paprika, some garlic, onion powder, and some Montreal steak seasoning by Grill Mates. This stuff, top tier. I did put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in with my steaks. I will have that listed below what I season them with. Now this is steak and you don't want to overcook your steak. There's nothing worse than biting into leather. I worked with a guy, and at my old job, we worked a bunch of overtime, like 20 hours a week sometimes. And so we would buy steaks on our last night and grill them. And there was one guy, he didn't really like working overtime, so I never really did. And it was optional. I chose to work a lot of overtime. And so we bought him steak, and I asked him, I was like, how you want me to cook it? And he's like, I like it like leather. I was like, bro, I ain't cooking you a steak. To me, that's just a waste of a steak. I used to get mine well done, and then I tried it medium rare. And after I tried it, there was no going back. I dropped the temperature and add in some butter. Ain't nothing but better than butter with steak, I tell you. We added 2 tablespoons of butter in here. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. You want to cook that flour down just so it loses that flour taste, and it's gonna absorb the flavor what's in your pot. I'm gonna add my heavy cream once I get my roux. My 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of regular milk. And I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. My water is starting to boil on my stove. So I'm going to take my Rotini noodles, throw it on. So I got some pepper jack here. I'm going to drop some pepper jack right on in there. A little bit of parmesan on into this. Oh, this is smelling absolutely amazing. Add a little bit more garlic to my sauce. All right, our noodles are done. So let's plate up. So I'm gonna get some of my pasta. And bada bing, bada boom, y'all. It's delicious pepper jack parmesan steak tip pasta. That's a winner chicken dinner right there. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Simple, easy dinner from Dad Simply Cooking. I love you. Peace.